How to turn off Facebook autoplay sound but can't find the videos start with sound option? Don't worry. In this tutorial, I'll show you what to do when the Facebook autoplay sound setting is missing. First, open the Facebook app and go to Profile page. After that, go to the three-line menu icon on the left corner, tap on it. Then tap Settings and Privacy and select Settings. Now scroll down and look for the Media section. If you don't see the videos start with sound option, it usually means Facebook has removed or relocated the setting in your current app version. In recent Facebook updates, some users no longer have access to this option because Facebook is gradually changing video playback settings across different accounts and regions. To make sure you're using the latest version, open the App Store and update Facebook if an update is available. If the setting is still missing after updating, there is currently no manual way to disable autoplay sound through Facebook settings on your account. In this case, you can mute videos directly while watching them by tapping the speaker icon on a video. Facebook may bring back this setting or move it to a different location in future updates, so it's a good idea to keep your app updated. That's all for this tutorial. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more Facebook tips and troubleshooting tutorials.